Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Digital Nomad Ventures. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you up to a secret viewpoint here in Lamai. It's got beautiful views of the beach as well as some of the resorts and hotels down below. I've actually seen pictures and video of this viewpoint before, but I never really knew how to get up there until today. So it's located over here by the Hin Ta Hin Yai rock formation here in Koh Samui. I'll include a link in the description below so you can find the place. Right now it's sort of a secret viewpoint. Not many people know about it, but who knows, maybe if this video blows up and I get a lot of likes and subscribers from it, then it will become a lot more popular, which isn't necessarily a bad thing because it's got a really beautiful view from up above. So strap in, enjoy this episode, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you at the top. Okay, so this is the entrance to Hin Ta Hin Yai. You can get here from the main ring road on the island. And if we continue walking this way, you can see they've got a parking area right here for Hin Ta Hin Yai. Motorbike is 10 baht, car is 30 baht. So you can park back there. And then you just walk along here. We've got lots of little shops along here, which are unfortunately still pretty dead at the moment because there's not a lot of tourists in Samui right now. Also got a little coffee shop right here. And if we continue walking this way, we'll get to the Hin Ta Hin Yai, which I'm sure many of you have already seen in pictures and videos. I might show that at the end, but for now I'm actually just going to show you. If you take a left right here instead of going straight, you get to the secret viewpoint of Lamai Beach. So right now they're just doing some construction right here, but you can easily walk right through. Sweaty cup. Not sure what they're building right here, but should be interesting. Maybe a coffee shop or something. And if you continue walking this way, you'll see some stairs leading up to the viewpoint. So all we have to do is walk up these steps. And we will get to the viewpoint of Lamai Beach. So I actually just came up here a few minutes ago. Then I decided I want to make a YouTube video about it. So here we go. The views at the top are pretty breathtaking. As you can see out there in the distance, you can see that's the Wat Huanan area. Absolutely beautiful. Perfect weather today. And then now we're at the top of the viewpoint. And check out these stunning views of Lamai Beach from up here. Of course, the video is not really going to do it justice, but you can still see how amazing it is. And I'm actually just going to zoom in a little bit so you can see the viewpoint in all its glory. And then you can actually just walk down below right here. Just mind your step and make sure you don't fall over the edge because it looks like it's a pretty long ways down. But yeah, this is the viewpoint. So you can see all of Lamai Beach, as well as this is a Beluga Hotel right here. And then we've got a bunch of hotels that stretch off down Lamai Beach. But yeah, beautiful view. You can also come up to this spot right here and have a drink or a bite to eat. You can see part of the Hin Ta Hin Yai down below, which I'll take you to in a few minutes. But first, we have to climb down from the viewpoint. So it's not too long or steep. Just have to be a little bit careful of your footing right here. Now we can just take the stairs back down. And I'll show you the Hin Ta Hin Yai. which is quite a popular tourist attraction here in Samui. At least it used to be before the pandemic, but it's coming back again. Here's the entrance to Hin Ta Hin Yai, which means grandfather, grandmother rock in Thai. And as we enter, we can see, hello, Swadika. You can see some of the shops here. Hello.
Coconut ice cream.
Oh, coconut ice cream.
Yes, you can
Excellent.
try.
Let's try this.
Coconut inside with ice cream and tea.
Oh, that's good. Let me finish this and I'll come back. Okay. So we've got some shops set up here and they're looking for customers. If we cut down through here, this takes us down to the beach between the two rocks. And there's also a rock bar over here as well, which is where you can get different things, maybe a beer. And as you can see from the sign here, Hin Ta and then Hin Yai is over there. So many of you have probably already seen pictures of this famous spot in Koh Samui. But if you haven't, this is the beach. It's like its own little private small beach right here. Beautiful place to come and relax, especially during sunset. And then you can see the Hin Ta rock up there. It's actually supposed to be shaped like a phallic symbol, and there's a whole history that goes into it, which I'm not going to elaborate on in this video. So it's right down here, kind of hidden away. This is it. So it's supposed to resemble a part of the female anatomy, and usually there'll be waves that come in here and splash up. But yeah, that's the Hin Yai rock. So not really too much to see, to be honest, but we've got beautiful views from here of Lamai area, and there's the viewpoint up above where we just were. So now you know how to get there. You simply come to Hin Ta Hin Yai and then hike up the steps to the viewpoint. Thanks so much for watching this episode. It's been a rather short one. Usually my videos are quite a bit longer, but in this case I just wanted to show you how to get up to the Lamai viewpoint, and also just show you some footage from the Hin Ta Hin Yai, which is a fairly popular tourist attraction here. And lots of people go to the rock formation, but they never come up to the viewpoint, probably because they don't know it exists. So now you know, and if this video gets a lot of views, hopefully more and more people will find out about this stunning viewpoint and come up here when they visit Koh Samui. So thanks for watching, please subscribe.